about the chemistry and the medicine. Chemistry departments in hospital medical labs analyze blood, urine, and other things for protein, sugar, and other metabolic and inorganic substances. You need to know that if there is glucose in the urine, it's a sign of diabetes. Electrolyte tests are a routine blood analysis, testing things like potassium and sodium. Most medications are involved with inhibiting a specific enzyme or the expression of a gene. Blocking enzymes' active site requires a specifically designed blocker to disable the enzyme's function. Since enzymes are proteins, their functions differ based on the shape and individual drugs must be customized for each target enzyme.
Everybody is very familiar with the properties of food, such as its flavor, its color, its smell, its texture, and its flow properties. We also have practical experience of domestic processing of foods and the changes in properties when we mix foods together or expose them to heat during cooking. So, the subject of food chemistry allows us to understand and explain these properties and reactions and allows food scientists to predict effects or changes in formulation or processing conditions on the properties of foods. It is a key component of undergraduate programs in food science. The digestive system is mainly a chemical reaction with the human stomach. So, eating food mainly includes chemistry in it.
The chemistry and the global warming. The global warming, as we know, is the increase of the temperature on the atmosphere. But how is this related to the chemistry? Well, the global warming is caused by the greenhouse effect, and this effect is mainly caused by the combustion and production of many chemical compounds. Compounds like the monoxide, the carbon dioxide, the chlorofluorocarbons, the sulfur dioxide, or the lead. These are some examples of the compounds that can be dangerous to the atmosphere. And we can find these compounds on the quotidian life, such on the insecticides, on the car, or on the kitchen. Well, that was the main relation of the chemistry and the global warming. Thank you.
The melting of polar ice caps is caused by global warming. Global warming is the accumulation of an excessive amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. This causes the Earth to become warmer, making the ice caps melt. Burning fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas produces carbon dioxide. Some agricultural practices may produce some lethal gases such as methane and nitrous oxide. To fight global warming and prevent the ice caps from melting, we have found three possible solutions for the problem. Number one is to stop burning these fossil fuels, or at least in an excessive amount. Reducing the burning of these fossil fuels will also reduce the carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere. Number two is a decrease of the use of cars. Cars produce a gas that can be trapped in the atmosphere. This may be reduced by using public transportation, walking, or using bicycles. This will generate a less amount of money spent on gas and less pollution in the air. Number three is to follow the Triple R program. This consists of reusing, reducing, and recycling. This project may save a lot of money, a lot of energy, a lot of pollution, a lot of gases, and global warming from getting worse, saving the melting of polar ice caps.
Conclusion or the reflection of the team was that, well, We already knew that the chemistry was most in everywhere. Everywhere you go, there's or a mixture or a compound on something made by an element. But the thing that we didn't realize was that the chemistry has two different aspects, the positive one and the negative one. And the positive one, it could be, for example, the medicine. The chemistry has made so many things in favor to the medicine that had helped many people. And on the negative aspect, we could put, for example, the global warming. This is something that, if you realize, the global warming is caused by chemical substances that are destroying them to the atmosphere. So this was the reflection of the team, that there's a positive and a negative aspect on the chemistry, and if you know to control it, you can make a perfect balance to the society.